Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Reels history on Facebook. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, gotta go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines with your profile picture in it. Tap on it. Now gotta scroll down or find the gear icon. Okay, tap on it. Now once you're in here, you gotta go ahead and find the Your Activity section. Just gotta scroll all the way down. You have here your activity. So tap on activity logs or log. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on this activity history, okay, or activity history button. Now tap on filters, tap on categories, your Facebook activity, and just find Reels. Tap on it, all or your Reels, okay. I'm going to tap on all. Now what you got to do next is just basically tap on three dots besides a video and just tap on, move to trash, do the same thing to every video that you wanted to hide or delete right here. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you delete Reels history on Facebook. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.